What I love most about the job is what I would do here is genuinely impactful. It's not just shadowing every day, it's real hands-on experience that contributes directly to the company. Studying BIT has been brilliant for me. I feel as though the modules are engaging and there's a variety of topics that are really interesting to learn. I feel as though these has given me a great foundation to learn and apply these areas to my placement as well.
One of the things that we do that has worked quite well in the past and is quite nice and I think relaxes the students a bit before they start is we'll do a sort of induction day. So a week or two before the placement actually kicks off, we invite prospective placement students in to complete an induction day with us where they'll meet the team, they'll meet the current placement students, and we'll just go out and grab some lunch and just get to know each other. And I think that way it just relaxes the guys so they're sort of prepared and have an idea of what they're coming into before they actually start.
By the end of my placement year, I was offered a job here at Riskonnect. This put me at ease returning back to my final year as I knew I had a graduate job secured. When I returned to Riskonnect, I settled back in quickly as I had already built relationships with the people here at the company. And because I had already learnt the software during placement year, I was able to start work immediately.
So far, I've really enjoyed my placement. I felt from day one that I've been welcomed into the team as a norm member, and I've made a lot of friends from working here as well.
I would advise students as they prepare for an interview for a placement is to do your research, and it doesn't take long. Spend 30 minutes to look at the website, learn who the people are, learn who the business is. That will go a long way when you go into that interview if you know what that company's about.
I didn't know what to expect coming into a placement, getting hands-on experience with clients, worldwide. I didn't really expect that, and it's good to speak to clients as well, learning how their business process is. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Riskonnect as a placement opportunity.
I highly recommend Riskonnect as a placement opportunity. It offers hands-on experience in the industry, and if you perform well during the year, you have the potential to get a graduate job.